So from course note 121, what happened to Ray Flob after he fell off the Empire State Building, it says that I need to simplify the expression. So the first expression that I've got written here is 3x plus 2 times the quantity of 5x minus 7. So in order to simplify this, I'm going to first have to get rid of the brackets. And I know the distributive law tells me that I can get rid of the brackets by multiplying 2, positive 2, into the brackets. And the 3 is not in the brackets or not attached to the brackets, so that's going to stay. So I'm going to write then that 3x stays there, and then I write 2 times 5x and 2 times negative 7. So 3x stays, 2 times 5x turns out to be 10x, and 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. So I would add negative 14. If I now collect my like terms, so this was expanding the brackets, then I see that I have an x term and an x term here. So I'm going to put those ones together. So 3x plus 10x, that gives me 13x, and I still have add negative 14, which I can just write as minus 14. So if you're going to follow the course notes, then that becomes answer E, 13x minus 14. Okay, from course note 122, the cryptic quiz, the first equation to solve, it says solve the equation, is 8u plus 3u, or sorry, 8u equals 3u plus 35. So we're going to solve that by moving all of the variables to one side. So if I move all of the u's over to the left side, then I'll have to have 0 u's on the right side. So I will create 0 u's by subtracting 3u. And of course I need to make it balance, so I will do that on the other side as well. So 8u minus 3u is 5u. 3u minus 3u is nothing, leaving me 35 on the right side. I have 5u equals 35. If I divide both sides by 5, then that will cancel the 5's to leave me 1u, and I have u equals 7. Okay, and course note 123 then combines our skills of solving equations as well as expanding with the distributive property. So before I can solve this equation, I'm going to need to remove the brackets by expanding with the distributive property. So here we go. I know that I can distribute the 3 to the 2x and to the 5, so I will get 3 times 2x as well as 3 times 5, and that will give 39. 3 times 2x is then 6 x's, and 3 times 5 is 15, so that gives me 39. Now this is just like a two-step equation, so I'm going to remove the constant first. So I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. I get 6x because 15 minus 15 cancels, and let's see, 39 minus 15 is 24. And now, since I want only x, not 6x, I will divide by 6 and divide the other side as well to keep it balanced. X then equals 4. So I will look for the number 4 in the what were the headlines after a midget fortune teller escaped from jail, and the instructions are to cross out the box containing the solution. So I'll actually cross out the box UNJ.